Hi, it's Nan. 3 ways we kill our progress and how to fix it. Holidays are here, and with them come gingerbread men, cheese platters, and that box of chocolates that just happens to be open every time I walk by. Staying on track with food right now can feel impossible, like trying to wrap presents with your toddler helping. Read, making it worse. But I've learned something important. It's not the food itself that's the problem, it's the way I approach it. And when I shift my thinking just a little, I don't just survive the holidays, I actually feel good about my choices. If that sounds like something you want to, read on. Ready to stop the cycle of overeating and guilt and head into January feeling proud of yourself? Well, let's chat. Book a free call and I'll show you how to make peace with food, even in cookie season. Number one, not planning ahead, also known as the wing it and regret it method. Let me tell you what happens when I don't plan my meals during the holidays. I'll start with just one cookie situation that turns into what else is there? Scavenger hunt 10 minutes later. By the time I realize what's happening, I'm full of regret and pie. It's like driving somewhere new without a GPS. You'll probably get lost. When I plan ahead, I know what I'm going to eat, so I don't have to rely on my in the moment decision making, which is terrible when I'm hungry. Here's what works. I take 5 minutes the night before to write down what I'll eat tomorrow. I even include the fun stuff like a piece of chocolate. When it's planned, I enjoy it guilt free and I stick to the rest of my plan because I'm not winging it. Pro tip, planning what you're going to eat equals planning to fit into your favorite jeans by New Year's. Number two, giving in to cravings. Hi, holiday cookies, it's me again. Cravings always seem louder during the holidays. I swear, I can hear the leftover stuffing calling my name from the fridge at 9 p.m. If you're like me, sometimes it feels like you have to eat that thing right now or you'll explode. Spoiler, you won't. Here's what I do instead. When I feel a craving hit, I pause for 10 seconds. I close my eyes and take 5 deep breaths. Then I check in with myself. What's really going on? Am I bored, tired, stressed because Aunt Susan asked me again what a stop emotional eating coach does? Sometimes I'll say to myself, yep, you're craving that cake because it looks amazing. That's okay. I don't have to act on every craving right away. Sometimes I just let it pass like a wave. And guess what? The cake is still there later if I really want it. Number three, being hard on myself. Why, oh, why did I eat that? True story. One year, I ate an entire cheesecake in one sitting. Then I spent the next hour Googling how many calories in cheesecake and mentally kicking myself for ruining my diet. Spoiler, the cheesecake wasn't the problem, as rich as it may have been. My guilt was. When I mess up, well, I've learned to skip the pity party. Instead, I get curious. What happened? What was I feeling when I ate that? Was I thinking I deserve this after a long day? Hint, I usually was. Instead of being mad at myself, I treat it like a science experiment. And when I learn from it, I can do better next time. Plus, guilt doesn't burn calories. So what's the point? Nelson Mandela said it best. I never lose. I either win or learn. Let's aim to learn and maybe win at not eating an entire cheesecake again. Here's the 3-step holiday food plan survival plan. Want to crush your holiday food plans without feeling deprived? Start here. Plan your food 24 hours in advance, even the cookies. Pause when cravings hit and ask, what's really going on here? Number three, be kind to yourself. Progress is built on curiosity, not guilt. Need help sticking to these steps? I've got you. Book a free call and I'll help you stop overeating, feel good around food, and still enjoy the holidays. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.